Так, я тримаю. Все?
Тримаєш?
Так, отак ми і будемо коротше, його.
Колір, бачиш який?
Ага.
Добре? Де твоя сумка?
Just really wanted to do something, so yeah, I don't know. Doing carpentry, there's obviously a need. Obviously, people want to live under their own roofs and stay dry and stay warm. So it's like meaningful work, and there's obviously a need for it. I'm sure a lot of the guys who do construction are in the military or in other countries doing construction or whatever.
А ми два з Канади.
Канада? Да, Канада.
А він ще з Шведії.
Швед. Ой, швед. Я плачу,
Правдивая любовь.
плачу, ребята, плачу за всіх вас. Понимаете?
There, just don't let the right side slip down. There.
Good?
Yeah.
Нормально.
Праву сторону.
It's one thing for them to know they're receiving arms and money, but for people to come over here and sort of share the risk with them, I think that really means a lot.
Ну, у тебя закрывать будет посвет.
One night we did hear explosions from, I guess, the surface-to-air missiles taking out some incoming drones. So that's about the only thing, but that was enough.
Главное, чтобы люди человеком был, а не там иностранец, не иностранец.
Давайте, шруби є.
Остальное все ерунда.
І
а?
рівень.